I walk to the library. I walk to the library. I arrive at the library. I arrive at the library. I enter the library. I enter the library. I greet the librarian. I greet the librarian. I show my library card. I show my library card. I wave at a friend. I wave at a friend. I walk to the shelves. I walk to the shelves. I browse the books. I browse the books. I look at a high shelf. I look at a high shelf. I tilt my head to read. I tilt my head to read. I search the catalog. I search the catalog. I type a book title. I type a book title. I note the shelf number. I note the shelf number. I scan the book spines. I scan the book spines. I find the book. I find the book. I reach for the book. I reach for the book. I pull out the book. I pull out the book. I hold the book. I hold the book. I check the title. I check the title. I open the book. I open the book. I flip the pages. I flip the pages. I choose 2 books. I choose 2 books. I carry the books. I carry the books. I find a quiet table. I find a quiet table. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I place my bag down. I place my bag down. I settle into my seat. I settle into my seat. I read the book. I read the book. I follow each line. I follow each line. I study the page. I study the page. I learn a new word. I learn a new word. I underline a line. I underline a line. I write some notes. I write some notes. I copy a sentence. I copy a sentence. I highlight the text. I highlight the text. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. I use the computer. I use the computer. I click the mouse. I click the mouse. I print a page. I print a page. I rest my eyes. I rest my eyes. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. I whisper a question. I whisper a question. I listen to the answer. I listen to the answer. I stack my books. I stack my books. I borrow the books. I borrow the books. I scan my card. I scan my card. I check out the books. I check out the books. I return my old books. I return my old books. I leave the library. I leave the library. Walk. Arrive. Enter. Greet. Show. Wave. Walk to. Browse. Look. Tilt. Search. Type. Note. Scan. Find. Reach. Pull. Hold. Check. Open. Flip. Choose. Carry. Find a quiet table. Sit. Place. Settle. Read. Follow. Study. Learn. Underline. Write. Copy. Highlight. Open my laptop. Use. Click. Print. Rest. Stretch. Raise. Whisper. Listen. Stack. Borrow. Scan my card. Check out. Return. leave,